there. We've got D-Star. We've got the Fusion system. They're both up
the
on
dog
the
race up in Alaska.
point there. They're working on
440 miles.
We have the D-Star repeater. We have a 2-meter D-Star, but we can't get our own pair for it. 2-meter pairs are non-existent around D.C. and most other places in the world.
Tuna fish.
Oh, yeah, I can understand
Are
that.
the dogs in the background?
Well, I'm going to wander around and say hi to some more mushers, but it's been great making whoops. We got a little dog fight going on over there. You get this many high-strung dogs, yeah, they got them separated now. It's challenging, but yeah, they're doing amazingly well. But anyhow, I'm going to sign off for a few. My fingers are getting cold. The wind out here is making it like about 8 degrees above zero. So even with little white gloves on, I'm getting cold. So I'm going to sign off. And it's Kilo Lima 3 Bravo Delta 73s, guys. Well, that's what I had originally. That's what I had originally, Bob, and John talked me into doing away with the 3 and putting the 7 in there because everything else was like KL7. Okay. Hey, do me a favor, if you don't mind, please. My email address is my call, W3ICF, Whiskey 3, I chase females. So, W3ICF at Comcast.net. Send me some pictures, please. Or maybe I'll see them all on that website you gave me. But send me some personal pictures, and I'll share them with John and the kids. 7-3, thank you very much. It's been a great afternoon, something we'll remember forever. KL3, DD, W3ICF, saying 7-3. Well, I didn't bring my dumb phone with me, so I cannot send you pictures, but there's lots and lots and lots of pictures at the website, Kobuk440.com. Are you listed as one of the officials, Bob? Oh, no, I'm just an observer. Oh, I turned away from one of the dogs, and he's pushing me over, trying to get my attention to pet him some more. These dogs are just so awesome. Okay, well, have a safe and enjoyable evening there, and the very best to all the participants, both the 4-legged and the 2-legged. So our hearts behind all of you, and thank you very much for letting us share this with you. KL3, BD, W3ICF, saying 7-3. KL3DB, KL3DB, KD2HIP, Bob. Hey, Mr. Bob, how are you doing? Your conversation has been great. I just got one question, sir. How do they get all the dogs up there? There's no road.
They drive.
Oh, they put each dog in a kennel and they put them on a cargo airplane and fly them up here. Okay, Bob, I'll let you get your hands warm now. This is KD2HIP down here in South Jersey. Have a good day up here, Bob, with the dogs. Alrighty, will do. Catch you later, KL3D.
We're clear.